Hey, what's up everybody? This is Evan with Single Guy Meal Plan. We're going to show you how to make a fantastic Bloody Mary today. So to start out, you can see I have all the ingredients here. Really, you can make it any way that you'd like. But to start off, you're going to have a cup of ice. Go ahead and add a shot or 2 or 3 or 10, however many you like, to your Bloody Mary. The Bloody Mary mix we're using is Zing Zang. It's the stuff that we found to be the best, that tastes great. Before you add that in, add a little dash of the Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of Tabasco, and one of the things that we really like is to add a little bit of pickle juice. Just a splash. Go ahead and add in your mix. If you're going to add a lot of extra ingredients, make sure you don't add it up too full. Go ahead and stir it together. Now the one that we're making today is we have our garnish here: olive, pickle, hot cherry pepper, pretty standard, but this is the triple bacon Bloody Mary. So you got a little bit of bacon here. Going to drizzle a little bacon on top. Now you may be wondering, what's the triple bacon? The triple bacon is the bacon grease. Give a little splash on top. We guarantee it'll take your hangover away. Enjoy the day.